I was delighted to get the opportunity to bring some of the crew down to Dingle in County Kerry and visit some of the hostelries in the town. We went looking for some singers, but we ended up coming away with a dancer.
Long ago, I wouldn't have been allowed into the pub to drink my little pint. I'd have had to stay here in the snug. Thankfully, things have changed, so we're going to have some fun in here.
Wish a break? Nina la, pon la, Nina la, la, my dear, Nina la, pon la, stand by rise, Nina la, pon la, Nina la, la, my dear, Nina la, pon la, stand by rise, don't send me out into the dark. The night is cold and I'll be perished. Stay inside with me a while.